In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your iPhone to read text out loud for you. We'll look at two options with this also. One that gives you a quick button that will read out text that you tell it to, and then another way that'll read the contents of an entire screen. To get started, open the Settings app. Once inside of here, scroll down a little bit and then find and choose Accessibility. Inside of the Accessibilities options, here at the top, you'll see Spoken Content. Choose that. Here's where you're going to find all of your spoken content settings. First, let's turn on Speak Selection. When you turn this on, an option is going to appear when you press and hold on any text that'll allow you to play back what is there. Let's take a look at a text message, for instance. With Spoken Selection enabled, press and hold on the message or the text until the pop-up appears. Inside of this menu, you'll now see Speak. Tap that and your iPhone will begin speaking back the text to you.
Create custom stickers.
Next, let's look at how to do this in something like Safari. Press and hold, and then make your selection on the text that you want read. Once you see this menu here, tap the arrow to see more. You may have to tap it a couple times, but again, you'll see Speak, where you can choose that and it'll be read back to you.
Master Chat GPT Midjourney and Top 50 AI Tools.
Let's head back into our Settings menu and we'll look at the next option. Underneath the Speak selection, you'll see Speak Screen. Now that you have this enabled, swipe down with two fingers from the top of any screen that you're on.
Speak selection on. A speak button will appear when you select text.
Doing this will open up the speech controller and then also read out loud the page. The speech controller also gives you a few more options like pause, skip, and speed. Taking a look at the other options inside of here, you can turn on the speech controller so it's always available on the side of your screen. You can also turn on highlight content, which will highlight the text as it's read, typing feedback, which reads out loud what you're typing, voices and language options, and then playback speed. And finally, at the bottom, you can add any custom pronunciations if you'd like. Make any changes in default settings that you want inside of here, and then you can close settings. And that's how you get your iPhone to read text out loud for you.